Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Google Chrome autofill option not working. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Google Chrome autofill option is not working on your laptop or PC, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your run command box. For that, you can press W plus R key, or there is another one option. You can just right click on your start menu. You can see a run. Just click on the run. Here you need to type some of the command what I will provide in my video description link. Just copy paste that command from there. Just copy this command and paste it here and click on OK. After that, this window will be open. In this, you need to find default. You can see a default folder. Just double click on that. After that, you need to find in this folder login data and login data journal. Just click and press L key. You can see login data and login data journal. Just select this both file, right click and delete it. Guys, you can see this type of error. If this error you can see, you have to make sure that you have closed your Google Chrome browser. After closing your Google Chrome browser, then try again, your file will be deleted. After that, just close this window and restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, your Google Chrome autofill option will be worked. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome autofill option on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.